I didn't really care for Blood on the Dance Floor. I'm not gonna
Agreed.
do his story. Um, Invincible. I do like that album, but I'm not even gonna throw it in there. So I do like.
Mm,
I think I probably could do it like top four, top five. But number one is Dangerous.
Cook. We're starting to
That's
no ball here.
that's by far my favorite album from Mike.
Hmm.
Jam.
No skips on it. A lot of people would
Hmm.
say that, but
It's not.
there's no skips
Them
on
deep cuts is
You
Dangerous.
know what's
nasty,
crazy?
man.
There's people who try to say Dangerous isn't a classic album.
Favorite Michael Jackson album. I mean, I said Dangerous, then Off the Wall. I'm sorry. Bad, Thriller,
Hmm.
and then I'll throw Invincible.
Bad, off the wall thriller, and personally, Blood on the Dance Floor.